So I was wondering now how it come off there. Oh, wait a minute, guys. This is broke. All right, guys, we're gonna kick this video off, man. I'm on my journey, my mission to 4,000 watch time minutes, guys. Well, not minutes, hours. 4,000 watch time hours. This is where I'm at now. So going ahead, guys, help your boy out. Do me a big favor. Watch the videos all the way through because YouTube counts every minute. So every minute watched is counted. And I need to get to 4,000 to become a YouTube partner. Well, to even be able to apply. So yeah, guys, that's the next mission. Become YouTube partner. I need those 4,000 hours watched. So let's go, guys. Now, back to this video. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. My surprise, I said it was supposed to be here, man. It's supposed to be here. So let's go out there and check the porch, man. See if it's here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. All right, guys. Let's see if this is it, baby. Guys, so remember I said I think they got out on me with my Tesla style screen? Well, this is supposed to be that Tesla style screen. No, I didn't buy another one. The right one finally showed up after a month. So we gonna go ahead and do the unboxing, man. Hopefully it's what I ordered. You know what I'm saying? Because I'm already kind of iffy after the whole situation and the mixed up tracking numbers and all that. So we gonna go on ahead, unbox it, man. Take a look at it, and if it is what it's supposed to be, man, that bad boy gonna get wrapped in that forged carton. Yeah, that's gonna look great. Let's go. All right, guys, moment of truth. I've been waiting a long time for this, a long time. Now, I pulled the trigger a month ago, but I've been looking at this for about the past 2-3 years or so. So this is a long time coming. Just hopefully it's the one I ordered. Bad boy open. There's moments like this when you can't open it fast enough. You know what I'm saying? All right. Man, I still can't open this bad boy. Having problemos. All right, we in business. We in business. That away. Packaged up pretty good. Set it up now. I don't know. I'm even still on camera, but let's see, connections. Start the show. That's what we want to see, to start the show. If I can get it out of here. Yes, sir, the start of the show. Along with other connections. Anything else in here? Don't look like it. It's supposed to be plug and play. It's supposed to be everything I need. This is easy now, easy. Get this thing open and see what we got. Somebody over in Japan tagged this, huh? Now I'm untangling. There we go. There we go. Oh yeah, there we go. Wait a minute, was that I thought I seen a little crack at the bottom of the screen, but nope. I was about to get real mad. There we go, guys. So it's, I was wondering now how it come off there. Oh, wait a minute. Guys, this is broke. Now you're supposed to be able to just unscrew it, unscrew, but this one is broke. Both sides that you screw in the screen in is cracked off at the ends. I don't know how good y'all can see it, but they're cracked off at the ends. The screen is plugged in, but it's cracked off at the ends. I mean, now if I'm running into this problem immediately right away, I don't know what else might be wrong. But we're gonna, I could take care of this, you know what I mean? That's pretty minor. I'm pretty sure I could take care of that. But man, this was a good bit of money, and it is broke. And as long as it took me to get it, man, trouble in paradise. I was going to take the screen off anyway, so I could just wrap the frame without the screen being involved. I didn't want to have to be using no razors nowhere near the screen, but it is broke. But that's minor. I can fix that. And as long as it work properly, we're in business. The screen ain't cracked. As long as everything else work, we should still be in business. Not happy about that, but like I said, that's minor. I can fix that. So I'm not gonna make no deal about it. But I almost thought it was cracked at the screen down there, but it's not. That's just part of the plastic coming up down there. The protective plastic is on the screen. But yeah, guys, this is it. The Tesla style screen is here, man. Alright guys, so now actuality, I was expecting something to be wrong because it was lost in transit for damn near a month. So I was just hoping that the screen wasn't going to be cracked. That's what I was hoping if it arrived. I wasn't sure if it was going to arrive because it was going for so long. But I was hoping that it was going to arrive and the screen was not going to be cracked, because this is coming from like the other side of the world. So yeah, going through all the different handlers, metal stuff is normally getting thrown. It ain't getting gently set. If you know, they did it the way they supposed to. And then I didn't see the word fragile nowhere on the box. So yeah, this box is getting boom, boom, you know what I mean, thrown from pow to pow. So I'm okay with that. Like I said, that's repairable. Man, we're gonna use the Gorilla Super Glue. We're gonna take care of that. You know what I'm saying? So that works pretty good. Since this is a piece that once it's in, it don't get moved, then I'm not looking at a problem of the Gorilla Glue working, but I'm happy it's here and we can wrap it. I'm going to wrap it in this video. This is not going to be the install video, but I am going to wrap it in this video. It is, I don't think I got enough time to wrap it now because I got up to, I was about to go do my workout and sing my package and the workout didn't happen. You know what I'm saying? The workout didn't happen. So, man. All right, guys. So I took the screen. See, nothing wrong with the screen. That's the part I thought something was wrong with, but that's just the protective film lifting up on the edge. Right where this line is, I'm gonna put some, what is it? What am I gonna put there, guys? So I'm gonna put there the cutting tape, because I'm gonna wrap all this and I'm gonna cut it off here. I'm not gonna wrap up here in the forged carbon. I might try to make a Dodge logo, the stripes, and put them on here. So I may do that as far as that go, but all this part up here is not going to get messed with. I'm not going to try to. I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to leave that to matte black and do all this down here. So that is the plan. I was just hoping that I can get it out. See, it's broke off right there, broke off right there. And they're actually really small, so actually not surprised that they're broke. At least all four of them ain't broke. But yeah, I'll take care of that. I was just hoping I was going to be able to get the screen out, and we're going to get the wrapping, Captain. Alright guys, first thing I'm going to be doing is cleaning the whole surface with my 90% isopropyl alcohol. You can use 70%, but I like using 90% just because it's a little more potent and I want everything clean, you know what I'm saying? Especially when I'm about to do this wrap thing. So I want the whole surface clean. So I wipe the whole surface down with the alcohol. Alright guys, now that it's completely dry from the alcohol, I can peel the back of the wrap and get ready to apply it. Make sure all the sides is pressed down evenly. And when there's a big opening like this, I like to cut flaps. Just cut in the center. That way when I get to the edges, I could just fold them back and get nice straight edges. Here I'm going to start using my heat gun, guys, to make sure that everything is adhering to the parts I want it to adhere. That's the frame, not the metal that I'm about to cut out there, but make sure that all the everything's adhering to the frame and nice and flat and straight. What I'm doing now, guys, is getting ready to cut the flaps and trim it down so as I don't need all the access anymore. Oh, this part right here is coming up, so I had to make sure it had some bumps in it. Make sure there ain't no lumps or nothing in it. Now I'm going to reapply the heat so it can adhere straight and flat onto the surface. You might have to do this a couple times, guys, till you get it right. I'm still learning how to do this myself, guys. I am a amateur rapper. You know what I mean? I do not know the tricks of the trade yet, but I am learning. And the way I learn is to keep on doing it. So this is the full process, guys. Y'all getting to watch it. I normally speed these parts up, but I'm going to do this at regular speed, especially since I need those watch time minutes up. So what I'm doing now is slowly cutting the line that I want to cut, because I remember, guys, I only want to wrap the frame of the screen. I don't want to wrap all up around the vents. So this is what I'm doing now, slowly cutting the line, because there is an indentation on the frame and I can see it through the wrap. So boom, slowly take your time and cut the pieces you need to cut. Now I can start cutting the excess flaps, because I don't need that much. I want a little bit to hang over so I can fold it over, but I don't need that much. So I'll just start trimming it here. This is getting all the access flaps out of the way, guys. Then we can start actually really shaping it to where we need it to be. Make sure you take your time and go slow, because what you don't want to do with a razor is cut any of it that's on the frame. That's what you don't want to do. The more you do it, guys, the easier it will be. This forged carbon wrap is one of the harder materials that I found to work with. Like the gloss vinyl wrap is a whole lot easier for me to work with, but this forged carbon is a whole different material. It's harder for me to work with, but since I've been doing everything in it, is you know what I mean, I'm learning how to use it. So after I get all of the excess cut off that I want cut off, then I start applying the heat so it can start adhering to the actual frame and not come up. Make sure you use the heat though, guys. The heat is what makes it stick. What I'm doing here, guys, is going over the whole frame. Make sure everything is tucked in behind the front of the frame and the back of the frame, both sides, because I don't want nothing sticking out. I want it all flat. I want it to look like this forge wrap is the frame. I want it to look like it's like this factory. The heat is what activates the adhesion, and it also makes it form and stay. Now y'all remember that there's buttons on both sides of this frame, guys. So I got the wrap on the buttons and I heated it up and I made sure that the buttons showed through the wrap. Then I carefully and slowly am cutting around the shape of the buttons that is coming through the wrap. Slowly and carefully. This is the part that you do not want to mess up on. If you mess up on any of the parts, you don't want to mess up on this part. You mess up on this part, you're going to have to start the whole frame over. So take your time, go slow. That's what I'm doing, going slow around each button. I believe there's 3 buttons on each side. So I'm taking my time, cutting around each button slowly and making sure I got a straight line around each and every one. You do not want nothing crooked on this part. Now I'm starting to peel it off. Slowly again, slowly. You don't want to try to rip it off and rip into the frame, and because you didn't cut all the corners right. So go slow. If you see a piece that's still snagged, just lightly cut it. Make sure you keep it straight though.
Ice in my veins, I've been driving this train. Years in this lane, there's no stopping this flame. Cause I came to the game and
now that I got the buttons cut out on this side, hit it with the heat and make sure that all the edges shrink up and adhere around them. We don't want nothing sticking up. We don't want nothing to be able to come up whenever you start using those buttons. So use the heat, make sure that they are sticking and all the corners are adhered to the frame.
I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say,
Alright guys, now I'm hitting the other side with some heat, making sure that the buttons are coming through the wrap so I can see where I need to cut.
6 a.m. man, I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my
Again, guys, take your time, go slow. You do not want to cut into the frame where there's not supposed to be no cuts.
I choose stacking dimes, you snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day, I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space.
Now that I got all the buttons cut out, slowly start removing the part you just cut out, just in case any of it is still attached to the frame you just cut it away from. You don't want to rip it. Perfect. Now start hitting this side with some heat, the sides you just cut out, and make sure that all the edges around the buttons are adhering and forming to where you need them to be around the frame. Now I'm just going to go around the whole frame again, all the sides, the insides and outsides, and make sure that everything is adhering to all the sides, and make sure that none of it is lifting up anywhere. That's what you want that heat for, guys, because the heat will make it stick.
Came out great, guys. That came out great. Now what I got to do next is, well, let me flip it around so y'all can see. Know what I'm saying? Know what I'm saying? That's what I'm talking about. Now what I got to do next is get the screen, glue those 2 screws in. Fortunately, it have to be like this and sit like this overnight. Let the bond happen. I mean, it's instant glue, but I'm gonna let it cure overnight. So, well, when I get home, because I'm about to go to work actually, so that's a shift. So when I get home, I can show y'all what it looked like with the screen in. So we're going to do that, and I'll be back after my shift, just like that. And just like that, guys, I'm back from work. Gonna did my shift, ate me a little dinner, did my hour walk, and boom. 1 second for y'all, but that was about 12, 13 hours for me. But here it is, guys. Wrapped in that 4G. So, yeah. So stay tuned to the channel, guys. The install video will be dropping next sometime this weekend. Hopefully the install, because this thing did not come with instructions, and there's a whole lot more wires there than there is with the stock. The stock is, just plug and play. I actually upgraded my screen, because I got the screen that came with that little 4-inch screen, and I upgraded to the 8-inch screen. Still stock, just the 8-inch screen that it comes with if you get that trim, and that was all still plug and play. But this, even though it's for the journey, it's made for the journey, it's a whole different animal. Why does all those cores is just not involved? So we're going to attempt to install it and see what happens, man. So anyway, guys, like, share, subscribe. Like I said before, guys, on all the other videos, recent videos anyway, man. I am on my journey, my mission, I should say, on my mission to get to 4,000 watch time hours, guys. This is where I'm at now. So going ahead, guys, watch the video all the way through. Matter of fact, I'm taping this now, but I'm gonna go back and edit, and I'm gonna say it in the beginning of the video, because if you didn't watch it all the way through by now, you ain't going to. I should say that in the beginning, huh? But anyway, guys, like, share, subscribe. Just stay tuned. The install's coming next, man, and I got some more things up my sleeve too. So you gotta stay tuned, guys, and I'll see y'all at the next video.
Join my Facebook group, Custom Dodge Journey. Join my Facebook group, all about custom whips. Post your cars, bikes, trucks, whatever you got customized on Facebook.